Have you ever tried to extend your drive C, only to discover that the extend volume option is grayed out? This usually happens when another partition is sitting between drive C and the unallocated space. Windows cannot extend it. Let's fix that. Open your browser and search for Magic Partition Resizer. Download the installation package from the official website. Once the download is complete, follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. After installation, the program should launch automatically. Inside the disk view, you'll notice the unallocated space on the right, drive C on the left, and an NTFS partition in between. To solve the problem, we need to move that NTFS partition to the far right. Right-click on the NTFS partition and select Resize/Move Partition. Now drag the partition from the left side all the way to the right end. This will place the unallocated space directly next to drive C. Click OK. Then select Apply Changes. Confirm by clicking OK again to begin the process. Once the operation is complete, close the software and reopen Disk Management. This time, the Extend Volume option should be available, and you can now extend drive C using the unallocated space. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech solutions.